The electric vehicle wars are kicking into high gear as Mercedes has unveiled the highly anticipated EQC in Sweden. Set to compete with the upcoming Audi e-tron, the EQC was previewed by the Generation X concept, and it features a large black panel surface enclosing the headlamps and grille. While it's not as distinctive as the front fascia used on the concept, it has fiber optic lights which effectively connect the LED headlights. This promises to give the model an unmistakable appearance at night. Moving further back, the EQC has flowing bodywork and front fender vents with a high-gloss black finish. Other notable features include a dynamic roofline, high-gloss aluminium window surrounds and a charging port which is located just ahead of the taillight on the passenger side. The rear of the EQC is a tad plain as only major styling features are a tailgate-mounted spoiler and slender taillights which are connected by a thin strip which emphasizes the vehicle's width. Further below, there's a black plastic bumper with chrome accents that appear to replicate exhaust tips. Moving into the cabin, there's an avant-garde electro look which should be familiar to current Mercedes owners. Drivers sit behind a 3-spoke steering wheel and find themselves facing two 10.25-inch displays. Elsewhere, designers installed an ambient lighting system and unique seats which feature indigo blue or beige centers with Sunnyvale upholstery that is constructed from recycled material. An assortment of different options will be available, including wood trim and a Burmester audio system. Electric vehicles are all about the powertrain, and the EQC has electric motors that power each axle. They produce a combined output of 402 horsepower and 765 Nm of torque. This enables the all-wheel drive crossover to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds before hitting a limited top speed of 111 miles per hour. More importantly, the EQC has an 80 kWh lithium-ion battery pack which enables the model to travel more than 279 miles in the new European driving cycle, NEDC. When it comes to charging, the EQC is equipped with a water-cooled onboard charger that has a capacity of 7.4 kilowatts. Owners looking for a faster charge can use the Mercedes-Benz wallbox, which is 3 times faster than a domestic power socket. Mercedes didn't go into specifics, but said the battery can be charged from 10 to 80% in approximately 40 minutes. Mercedes is currently gearing up to produce the EQC in Bremen, Germany and the Beijing-Benz automotive plant in China. There's no word on pricing or launch details, but we're likely to hear more in the coming months.